What's up, what's up, what's up, what's up? I am currently playing. Okay, let's see. I will currently be
Welcome to War
Hi.
of Wizards.
Hi!
Hello there! Hi!
Hello there!
Hi!
Hey!
Hello there! Hey!
Ready?
Roar!
3,
Hey, right there, this Barracks of War button. I'm gonna activate it right now.
the minions have spawned.
No! Not Daddy!
Perfect.
Daddy! What have you done? Daddy, Daddy, go away! Go risk it up another day.
Your enemy gets one.
I said, Diddy,
I
go
don't have
away!
my whip.
Diddy! Go away! Go risk it up another day.
Watch out. A fireball is aimed at you.
Oh my fucking god! I can't land anymore.
Good.
Okay, good. Finally done.
Here, wait, let's play
Your
Pass the
enemy
Parcel.
equipped a frying pan. It can deflect bullets and
Go ahead,
stun
throw a
Okay.
fireball. Go on.
How do you have that? I'm actually trash at this game. Hey, wait, can you just give me one chance to use a spell? Please? Oh, I get it, you're recording. Am I
No,
right?
I'm not recording. I don't have a channel.
Good.
Oh. I thought you were the...
I'm just...
Hey, is this weapon good? I never used it. Oh, it's actually...
What's that weapon?
Huh?
Yeah, it does a lot of damage, and it's pretty difficult to dodge.
Oh, so you're saying... How did... I don't know even how I got it. I got it from the lucky block. Oh my god, you're fucking
Not
ass good.
First blood.
Yeah!
As a reward, your team.
Luckily, I was able to summon the cool train, so...
Yeah. Yeah, you're perfect.
The Barracks of
Hey,
War.
is the Titan good? I have the Titan.
Oh, I got Abyssal Corlet. Or Quartet. Okay, I don't care about it.
Oh, I also have that. Hug? I'm gonna use it, okay? Can I?
Yeah, I have a fireball spell.
No.
No.
Great.
Yes!
No.
Jerry Tom! Pork! Go get him! No, Jerry!
Oh, frick you, John.
No.
John Pork blocked that bullet. I would have killed you.
Jerry! What did you do to Jerry? He was my most...
His name is John Pork.
No, John Pork!
That's the spin dang. Give me the spin dang. Yeah, I got the spin dang.
What did you spend it? No, Jerry!
I'm too-
Jerry, kill him! Jerry!
I froze my wand.
I'm killing you right now with it. Time to do my best spell.
Great.
I'm gonna use this again just to quiet you. Is that the Yin Gang spell?
Yeah, I obtained it.
Oh, nice. No! No!
Yeah, I have
Are you
something
my
to deflect
mom?
that spell.
You're using... Oh, you're my mom.
Flip. Flip.
No! What are you doing? Oh my god. I will now... No, it's gone. Well, I'm using the Abyssal Titan right now. Good luck. Is this good? Is the Abyssal
Good.
Titan good? And I'm killing...
Oh, shoot.
Hey, is this move good? Is this thing good?
Yes, it's really OP.
Oh, I got it from the... It's in the limited checkboard. You gotta check every day the limited checkboard. You know that?
Wait, where's the limited check thing?
It's in the items. You just have to scroll down and
Hey, wait, do you play Die of Death? Or do you play, like, Roblox at all?
A little why?
You have destroyed the enemy turret.
I use my Roblox name for this game, so...
Oh, I have a
Wait,
YouTube
it's gone.
channel. Hey,
Nice.
dude, you wanna friend me after the match?
Sure.
Good. Great.
Jerry,
can't draw
Tom,
this
John,
darn
Boy, rise! You will be dead by John Porker. I don't think that's how
Why can't
you
I draw it?
Dude, you gotta draw it a little bit differently. You need help? I have it. Look, that's how you draw it. Look. 1 and 2. You
Good.
see? That's the karma spell. Is that what you're looking for? I can help you draw
Yeah. I
it.
call it the Yin Yang spell because it looks like it. Don't mind me, I just need to wait for John Pork to approach real quick so I can murder him.
No!
Closer. Closer.
You have
Great.
killed the enemy.
Oh, I got one shot.
Kill reward.
Frick
Yeah,
you, John
Your team
Pork.
sends an
No,
extra
John
super
Pork didn't kill you. No, but John Pork wasn't the one to kill you. I killed you with my Yang Yang thing, my karma. That's how I killed you. He's gonna spawn kill you. Or not, he's gonna despawn soon.
Yeah, he only lasts for a little bit.
Yeah, well, you're
Die,
still
die.
gonna die. Wait,
Oh,
no!
he's gone.
No, not the pan! From the screen to the ring to the...
Finally, I got it. Give me this stupid thing.
What, the Yang Yang spell? Oh, no. Yang! Yang! Yang!
Great.
Yang! You cannot attack me anymore.
Oh, I did it! Neither can you.
Good.
Yeah, but I can arise. Arise!
Oh, buddy, you're so cooked. Once all these bullets hit you.
Oh, shit! Oh, shit! Oh, wait. Hey, you know what I most love? You know what's my favorite fairy tale?
Good.
The Barack
No.
Obama.
Dragon!
It's not Barack Obama. Your favorite Terry. Your favorite Terry fail is not Barack Obama.
What is... Well, I got...
I'm gonna kill the dragon.
Hey, I'm gonna rise John Pork again. John Pork! Bye-bye. John Pork's wanna say... John Pork says hello.
Great.
John
Oh, I
Pork
got it.
says-
John Pork, say bye-bye.
No. Fine, I'll use my special attack. You make a...
Special attack.
Do you play Animal Company?
No, I don't play
Great.
Animal
Do
Company.
you play Gorilla Tag?
Yeah.
Oh, wanna hop on right now?
I mean, after the match, sure, but you would have to friend request me. Oh,
Just
gosh.
join my
Look.
code.
Dominating. Kill reward. Your team sends an extra super minion.
I have a code that's PP1. Someone gave it. Dude.
I find it funny how I just chat naturally with the person I'm literally battling to the death right now. I just think that's kind of funny.
Well, I'm sorry to say that. Hey, can I use my Titan again?
Do you want to?
I'll use him again. Titan! Wait, this is not the Titan spell. I'm gonna be right back. That is not how you draw the Yin Yang spell. Titan.
Oh shoot. Oh shoot, I'm dead.
Oh, okay. Good. I'm just gonna use my Titan spell again.
Good.
Titan! Hey, dude. Look at me. I'm a Titan. Titan! I'm a Titan!
Why can't I activate the yin yang spell?
Dude, you know the Titan can compromise the yin yang spell. Doesn't help. Now you will die. Hey, join code PP1 in Gorilla Tag after this, okay?
You are dominating. Kill
Okay.
reward. Your team sends an extra super move.
This isn't the limited ability. There's a little limited. I'm just gonna spawn Jerry, okay? Jerry.
Good. Great.
Jerry, kill him.
I need to activate my Barack Obama.
No.
I can't summon it.
I'm gonna activate my yin yang.
Good.
Ah.
Hey, friend. Hey,
Victory.
join code PP1 in Gorilla Tag.
Alright, but I'm gonna send you a friend request.
Okay. Join in Gorilla Tag.
Alright.
But I'm gonna see you in 5 minutes. I'm joining code PP1. Bye bye. Was he a man? I think he was a 50-year-old man. What was that? Hi. Hey, is this John? Hey, are you the guy? Why don't you have voice? Hey, dude. Change your name to where I first met you. Change your name real quick so I can identify who you are. Change the name to where we first met. Hi, dude, change the name. Let me see. Hey, dude, change the name to where we first met. Change the name to where we first met. I am not joking. Oh wait, this is Paint Bro? Oh my god. I am so embarrassed right now. I said, change your name. Change your name to when we first met. That is not where we first met. In the game we first met. Oh, you're Blue Love! Oh my god. Oh, it is you. It is you. I'm sorry. Hey, dude. How? Cold fit. Wanna 1v1? Jump if yes. Okay, let's 1v1. Why don't you have a mic in this game? It's kind of weird to have one in War of Wizards, but not here. Well, Oh, also, I heard you are a 50-old man. What the fuck was that? What are you doing? Hey, are you going off? Why? Hey, hey, hey. What are you doing? Yippee! Do you know how to turn on chat? It's super easy. Just have to go to the settings of Gorilla Tag and change voice to regular. To heart. Oh, you wanna hold hands? Hey. Hey, dude, it's me! It's me! It's me from the War of Wizards. You don't remember me? Dude, you don't remember me? It's me from... Hey, look at this. Hey, dude. Dude. Hey, look. Good, you remember me. Let me change it back to Lava VR. So, what do you want to do? I'ma follow you. Oh, your controller disconnected? You need some training? Hug. Wanna hop on back to War of Wizards? Okay, see you there. I don't wanna look for Christmas. I don't wanna look for Christmas. Yo!
Hello. From earlier, the problem was someone disabled my voice chat on Gorilla Tag.
Oh. that was kind of weird when I couldn't talk to you.
Hey,
Okay, let's play.
you never did it alone, Grant.
Huh? What's in the background? Oh, also,
My brother.
do you see these time icons next to the weapons?
The time icon's next to the weapon? Yeah, what about them?
Which there is a giant orc one, a coffin one, a hammer one, and a gun one, right?
I have... Okay, so my brother's getting mad at me for not unloading the dishwasher, so I might have to go soon.
Okay. These are limited spells that get re-added every single week. Dude, you okay?
Well... My brother's getting mad at me still.
Yeah, I think you have to, or battle him to the death, or, just wash the dishes or something. So,
Okay, so, if you want, you can charge your VR for like 20 minutes, and if you set a timer for 20 minutes, I'll do the same and I'll hop back on in 20 minutes, okay?
Sure, I'm gonna play Gorilla. Wait, first friend me on MetaQuest.
On MetaQuest, how do I do that?
Go back, go to menu, go to the menu, go to chats, dude, blue lobby 4, bro. Okay, I see you. Well, invite me when you're done and wait 5 minutes.
Did you send me the request?
Is your main name Blue
Hello?
Lovey? Is your main name Blue Lovey 4? Dude. Blue Lovey 4. Yes, Blue Lovey 4. Guys, so I'll be back when he's done.